Is not here yet, but it is coming.
It's coming. It's coming. We've had a little tastes of winter here for the last couple of weeks, but a long extended cool down we haven't had just yet.
And this is it.
This is it. For at least several days into next weekend, we're going to see lots of cold air, and like we said, possibly a flurry or two around. We'll talk about that in a second. Live in Tuscaloosa right now, looking down University Drive down toward the stadium. Not too bad out there. Some high clouds still hanging out. 58 right now in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa. A little breath of wind. That's all we've got outside now. Gadsden, you're at 56. Hamilton, 55. And the mild spot right now, Anniston, at 62 degrees. Clouds have moved in from the west. Some spots seeing the clouds, some spots not seeing any of those clouds. And over the deep south, it's pretty quiet except for those clouds that have moved in. Some showers down in southeast Texas, but that's about it. Been very quiet around here for the last several days. But that's all about to change. Area of low pressure and also a cold front now that's just on top of the Rockies and just points to the west. This is going to be making its way into the deep south. It's going to race down to the south. By Tuesday, we'll see this in our neck of the woods. We will also see, once again, some more fog. That will be part of our forecast late tonight and early tomorrow morning. We've had dense fog all around for the last several mornings. I think tomorrow not quite as widespread. Most of the fog will be down to the south, but please just exercise some caution if you have to be out early tomorrow morning. I'd say between the hours of 4 and say 8 o'clock, the fog will be thick in some areas, especially the rural areas. Let's talk about temperatures and some rainfall over the next couple of days. Temps very mild for tonight into early tomorrow morning, about 10 degrees warmer than where we should be for this time of year. Lows in the middle 40s to low 50s. And afternoon highs tomorrow right in the upper 60s and close to 70 degrees, but we see some more high clouds move back in, kind of a carbon copy of what we saw for today. Then the rain moves in for Tuesday. That cold front approaches. It'll be a very warm and humid start to our Tuesday, and those showers move in from the north and east and race across the state. By the afternoon hours, plenty of rainfall. This is going to wreak some havoc, especially for Homewood Christmas Parade. Unfortunately, a lot of rainfall expected at that point. There's the cold front. Moves through Tuesday, all the way through the state on Wednesday, but the cold air not catching up to it quite yet, so we don't expect any frozen precipitation on Tuesday, but we do expect some big-time cold. The coldest of the air stays north of us Wednesday, Thursday, but by Friday, the big cold punch comes down, and this is when we might see a snow flurry or two late on Friday. Now, it is not set in stone yet. This is not anything to get too worried about, but a flurry or two is possible late on Friday night. So a sunny start to Monday, warm and humid for Monday into Tuesday. Then we see all the rainfall for the afternoon, and then that big cold down. Also, lots of breezy weather too, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and lots of cold air next weekend. Lee?